Okay, let's do this. Let's fix this stuff. So from the other video, if you recall, we had some problems here. I think these switches are dirty. The balance control was not doing anything. Set deck. Seems like the belt was not engaged. Probably broken or really slack or loose. Here's the back of the unit. Have to break out the screwdriver here, see if we can open it up. And just in time is the Snickers. Okay, we're in, just like the other one. The front comes off by removing screws that are actually in the front of the unit. You have to watch out, there's one hidden in the tape deck. Yeah, there's a screw you can see right there, hidden inside the tape compartment. So I'll take my little deoxit kit here and give these controls a squirt. Then I'll remove this tape unit. There's just a couple screws. And check out the belts. Okay, I squirted all the controls and connected the power supply. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Connected the power supply up to the battery terminals. Set it for 9 volts.
Put the gun aside. What the oh.
That's so great.
Yes, thank you so much. You guys stay safe.
We will. Thank you. You stay safe.
Balance control works.
All right. Thank you, Angie. That is just awesome. I love good news like that. Anyway, let's go around the room. Let's see what's on the minds of the superstars that show up every day. Well, they're not here, so we're going to start with...
Bro, what?
You can't...
The stereo, the mono stereo and stereo wide switch works fine now. No static or anything. So yeah, this stuff really did the trick. It's just dirty controls. So now I need to attack this tape deck unit here, and just a couple screws to get it out and see what's going on with the belts. Well, I like how modular this is. Just unplug these connectors, remove a couple screws, and the tape unit comes right out. And yep, you have the old melted belt syndrome. So I'm going to have to clean that up and see if I have one that'll fit. I bought one of those generic eBay kits that have a bunch of belts that various sizes that might have one that happens to pop right in there. We'll check it out. Okay, using some isopropyl alcohol, cleaned up the mess as much as I could. Took the motor off. That was that melted crap around the pulley here. As you can see, it's pretty darn messy. And I have this belt kit. Bought that off of eBay a couple years ago. I found a belt that works. Seems to be twisted. I'm going to have to straighten it out there first. Oiled the front end of this bearing. Hopefully it quiets the motor. V Westlife did a video about tearing one of these motors down to get to the rear bearing to oil it. And it's supposed to really quiet these things. And it might have to do that if this motor is still loud. But for now, I'm going to put this together and see how it works. Alright, let's see what happens here. I wonder if I can record. Didn't I put tape over that thing? Oh, it's on the other side. Stand by. Okay, it records one direction because of the race head is on this side, so tape can't be going in this direction when you're recording. So, let's see what happens here. Test 1, 2, 3. Only has one microphone. It's mono right here. It does have jacks in the back for stereo microphones though. Okay, let's see what happens. Test 1, 2, 3. Only has one microphone. It's mono right here. It does have jacks in the back for stereo microphones though. Okay, let's see what happens. Right here. Testing 1. Okay, seems to be recording and everything. I'll put this thing back together and do a quick test, and that'll wrap this up. Okay, it's all back together again. I cleaned it up. Looking pretty nice. I had some good fortune. When I was assembling it, I heard something rattling around, and it was this broken switch. So I used methylene chloride solvent and glued it back together. So that's pretty nice. So have the auto reverse mechanism working again. Clean the tape heads and the cap stands. So yeah, let's give it a little whirl here.
For me, and
Lots of electrical noise around here.
You say it.
so Foles gets a
Hey Dayton, this is Kane Brown.
Oh God. If you're reading this, I'm already home.
Sassy, moody, nasty. He said,
Love girl. You look perfect as
It worked through. I'm seeing no delays to get by. Eastbound on 35, heavier traffic getting through the construction zone after factory. Everything opens up by the time you get to Xenia.
This report is sponsored by Cars.com.
Whether you need a car now or plan to buy someday soon, Cars.com has nearly 2 million.
I don't know how good the separation comes through with this camera. It's not real good separation. But the balance control works perfectly now. Let's give the tape deck a whirl. One, two, three. Hopefully this is working. Testing 1, 2, 3. John Audio Tech channel, and over in the chair is the Snickers. That's from that Panasonic. And I can't let that play. Can't let that play either. But yeah, I mean, the motor's quiet too. It had that brrrr noise before. Now it's just the action of the The tape moving inside, you can hear. Pretty nice. Just like I bought one, all working again. And with that, I'll wrap it up here. Thanks for watching.